Now we're gonna learn alphabet with exact pronunciation. At first you start, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Alhamdulillah, you have done well. So you have done stress here. No need to stress like K, J. No. You just follow me. What I pronounce. A, B, C, D. Just normal. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No need to do stress here. Understand? Just K, J, no. You will say J, K, L. Normal. Just J, K, P, T. Okay? Repeat after me. A. You say
A,
A, J,
A,
K,
K,
K, O,
O,
P,
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 T,
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 R,
R,
R. Just in English language we can say that K. We'll have to pronounce K. What it? K, J. Actually, most of the letters are same of our mother tongue, except the 9 words. Except the 9 letters. They are A, J, K, O, P, Q, R, T, W. So if we change the 9 letters, the time the pronunciation of alphabet will be accurate for us. So at first, for exact pronunciation, we need to improve. We need to make it right, make it clear for reading English. I think you have got. Thank you so much for listening us.